Okay. Zorgon, Warthog.
Monitor dito, Zorgon.
Erwin Rommel, yan o. Erwin o. 1, 2, 3 against 4. Player ba yung Dusk 50? On your side guys. Tignan nyo nga kung, kang Seb.
Yes.
Player ba yung
Mari 32, Zorgon, Warthog, Rumen Romel. Apat sila.
Apat ba?
Tatlo tayo.
1, 2. Oh, confident ang isang ano.
Who the fuck?
What a shot! Oh, look at this.
Tangina, may bad shot pala doon.
What the?
Warthog dito.
Ah, sa Chitsy Doodle spot. Okay, cleared over here. Oh, never mind. May isa pa pala. Okay, I'm taking a bit of time.
Shit.
Well, that ain't good for you. Okay, one down.
Patay na ba sa Warthog?
Dito
May
pala
buhay
sa
pa.
gitna si Rommel, oh. Dragon Cav pala dala niya, ha. Puitin ko yan, be. 1k damage easy. Eh, patira ka pa sa bot.
Pinapalibutan na.
Patira ka pa sa bot. Gusto ko ako yung tatapos. Ay, nasa kabila. I'm coming for you, Rommel.
Dalawang player sa akin, guys.
Got him.
Tatlo na.
Copy. Don't push me.
And then just hurt me. So I can get my satisfaction.
What the hell? Hi, Warthog. Almost got a pixel shot.
Fuck. Mga tao pa pala dito.
Nalis ka na muna. Bye,
It's fine.
Warthog.
Nice shot. Zorgon papunta sa akin.
Bumaba. Teka, may na ano ako na... Ay, Zord! 600. Five, 4, no. 2. Bumaba. Angat ka pa. PTZ?
May PTC pa?
Player pala yung PTZ?
Wala na.
Si Marie pala
Oh,
yun.
Mari 32.
I just found
May yung pangapat nila.
Uh-oh, that ain't good. Okay. 1 to go.
You want footage? I'll give you footage. Leroy! Chinky.
I'm waiting.
He's from the back.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting for footage. Yep, footage over there.
Oh, double kill.
Footage over there. Ah, signal loss. Come on.